dears, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll start with new series in Australia. In this series you'll see Great Ocean Road and its main attractions. Let's start our journey now. Hi guys, we are not so far from Melbourne on the coast of the road, and the first stop is the Bay of Islands. It's so beautiful, so marvelous. I love it a lot. And it's called Bay of Islands because there are many islands, rocks, little mountains coming up from the water. Bay of Islands Coastal Park is a 32 kilometers long coastal reserve located in Victoria on the Great Ocean Road between Peterborough and Warrnambool. Lookout areas with parking are provided at the Bay of Martyrs, the Bay of Islands, 3 Mile Beach, and Children's Cove. Choose from the 2 different viewing areas and get the perfect picture of the sun setting over the vast southern ocean and the towering limestone stacks of the Bay of Islands. The light limestone found here along the coast near Peterborough reflects a different quality of light, therefore offering great photo opportunities in cloudy conditions. The Lockhart Gorge is one of the best loved stop-off points along the Great Ocean Road. It's situated in the Port Campbell National Park and is just 3 minutes from the world-famous formation of the 12 Apostles. The picturesque gorge is home to a smooth bay with clear blue water. No coincidence. Back in 1878, a large clipper ship engraved with the name Lockhart beached on nearby Motorbike Island after a journey from England. Unfortunately, only 2 of the 54 passengers survived, one of whom was a 15-year-old boy called Tom Pierce, and the other a 17-year-old Irish girl called Eva Carmichael. Both passengers were washed ashore during the event, where Pierce proceeded to raise an alarm to the surrounding locals. The act saved Carmichael's life, though she returned to England soon after, having lost most of her family in the tragedy. Pierce continued to live a fruitful life and was often referred to as a hero of his time. It hasn't always been this way. Many of the landmarks along Australia's Great Ocean Road collapse thanks to weather conditions and water damage, which serves to create an ever-changing landscape. Lockhart has been the official location for a number of movies, including the Pirate movie, which was filmed in 1982, and the 1999 TV series Journey to the Center of the Earth. The two remaining rock pillars of the gorge have been named Tom and Eva after the two survivors of the shipwreck back in the 19th century. The Razorback is yet another rock formation that one can view when visiting the Lockhart Gorge. The name is given to a limestone stack that stands in a cove that is constantly subjected to the forces of wind and water erosion of the Southern Ocean. The location is open all year round. The weather in the area constantly changes. The best times to shoot here are from sunrise to the middle of the morning. The 12 Apostles is a collection of limestone stacks off the shore of the Port Campbell National Park. Their proximity to one another has made the site a popular tourist attraction. There are 8 apostles left, the 9th having collapsed dramatically in July 2005. Witness the rugged splendor of the famous 12 apostles that rise up majestically from the Southern Ocean on Victoria's dramatic coastline. Created by constant erosion of the limestone cliffs of the mainland beginning 10 to 20 million years ago, the stormy Southern Ocean and blasting winds gradually eroded the softer limestone, forming caves in the cliffs.
So this main attraction for tourists is located around 300 kilometers from Melbourne, to be 275 to be particular, to be precise. So I guess guys, you need a car, or there are many like bus tours to bring you there. So you can just ask in your reception and everybody knows it. Really nice views. I love it. I recommend you to see that.
part in Australia would you like to visit? Drop me a comments in the comment box below and tell me why. I appreciate your likes, comments and shares. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from Australia series and many more. See you in the next video.